It should be noted that in the new 5.0 hierarchy, the Level 2 is still not a dedicated track warrior. It's far more aggressive than a regular GT, and sees significant advances over the performance pack Level 1. But it remains a far cry from the singular focus of the Shelby GT350 or GT350R. The Level 2 was developed by the Mustang engineers as a semi-skunk works program. They had a little extra time in the development process, and various components that could be used for upgrades, and they wanted to see how far they could push the platform. As such, it is only available with a manual. The 5.0-litre V8, with 460 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, is unchanged. But it now comes standard with magnet or geological dampers, which are an option on Level 1, and a Torsen rear differential. And most significantly, the car is outfitted with the performance tire du jour, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, the same rubber at the front of the GT350R. The Level 2 is now the most nimble GT, says Mustang chief engineer Carl Widman. That huge new tire patch changes everything. While we also drove the car on legal roads, we figured the best way to gauge the efficacy of the upgrades was to see how they handled an unruly racetrack. And while much of the day was soaked by rain, we got in enough unfiltered laps early in the morning to get a convincing picture of the car.